Yeah, I would say, first of all, I would like to say thank you to the organizers of this event, the Zimbabwe Prison and Correctional Services, of course, with the blessings from the government of Zimbabwe. It has been a very eventful week where we have been able to interact with our families, re-engage, recap on many issues. How has it been? As you know, I'm a farmer. How the farm has been going, like my farming activities, you know, seeing the kids, seeing my wife, and seeing friends and relatives. It has been a very wonderful period. Lokho ngeke kwenzakale. First of all, mina njengoMoses, originally I'm from Matabeleland. Ngakhulela koBulawayo, ngizalelwe Plumtree and ngifunde koBulawayo. So mina vele ngikhulele kubazali ababe ku politics. Qala abazali bami bebeku ZAPU. So sikhule vele singabafana, sisazi kakhulu ngeZAPU, siyazi ngoJoshua Nkomo, and then kwasokuzoza i-Unity Accord ngo-1987 eyasibambanisayo leZANU-PF. Saboniswa ukuthi ZANU-PF is as same as ZAPU. So we are ZANU-PF, die hard ZANU-PF now, and akula nto engantshintsha ukuthi mina ngisuke ku-politics ze-ZANU-PF ngiye kwenye indawo. As long sibonga abadala bethu, yena umongameli wethu u-ED, laba abanye asebashonayo, ubaba uMqabu uJoshua Nkomo, la umongameli the late uRobert Gabriel Mugabe. Siyababonga kakhulu, sibonga la iShumba uMrambo u-ED ukuthi la i-unity yethu leyi iqhubekela phambili and sibambene njengelizwe leZimbabwe. So mina kuZANU-PF ngithi siyafela khona, singabe ZANU-PF to the core. Siyezwa lasema-redweni lapha, lama-TVs lawo phakathi lapha, siyayilandela i-Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, sithi siyayisekela, sithi phambili ngayo. Okufunakala iphathi yethu iZANU-PF, lokufunwa ngabantu beZimbabwe, lathi siyakusekela. Njalo sithi asoze safa salahla iphathi yethu iZANU-PF. So konke okwenzakalayo nge-Amendment Bill number 3 siyisekela ngandlela zonke siphakathi lapha. Fana kathesi lapha ejele sakwanisa ukuthi sivuse i-association yethu esithi i-Prisoners for ED. I-Prisoners for ED mainly tikuyita zwemithi, going green with ED, going green for economic development. Silwisana le deforestation, silwisana le soil erosion, silwisana lento ezinengi ezenza ukuthi i-vegetation yethu iphambaniseke. So thina siyasekela konke okwenziwa i-government yethu, njalo siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi lesi abasinike sona ukuthi izihlobo zethu labangani bebekhona. Nampa abanye abafana bethu ovale is here, is a young man from EEG, is the marketing officer for EEG, Economic Development Group. Bazile lapha babuya bazosibona. Umfowabo kaChimombe nangu lapha la esilaye, mkoma wa Mike Chimombe uyu baripo baya kuzotubona nedzimwe hama neshamwari tinabo.